What's up, guys? We got an unboxing today of the Ess One sound kit. So let's go ahead and cut it open here. Should be good. Rip that open. I couldn't believe how small this package was, guys. Now this is not the dual. This is the little small one. So that's it. RC Plus integrates configuration, sound stores, and video services. All right, let's go ahead and crack this thing open. It's got another piece of plastic on here. And this I bought off of eBay. That was the cheapest price I could find for it. It has two pre-programmed sounds, is what I heard anyway. So go ahead and pull this open here. That's what it looks like right there. Sense Innovations Ess One for car, and there's sounds you can download online, so that's cool. So that's what you get here. That's how to connect it, all that good stuff here. I might have to go back through that. And this gets plugged in here. Now, I'm not sure about certain stuff here, so we'll see if I can do it correctly anyway. So this plugs into the ESC, or not the ESC, sorry, the receiver. Then the ESC plugs into that along with this system also. And then that right there is how you program it, and then plug it into your Ess One in the actual car. So let's go ahead and open this up here, get it connected. So I have the receiver box open already. Let's go ahead and take this off. Now you're going to have to pull out number 2 for the ESC. So let me go ahead and pull that out here. Alright guys, I know it's a rat's nest here, but I think I have everything set up. I'm not sure, so we'll see here. Let's go ahead and see what this does. Oh, nope. Let me try to hold this up here, guys. Give it some gas. Oh, hang on. Let me put it on a box here, guys. Hang on. Alright, guys. Got it up here on a box, so let's go ahead and give it a start. It's falling off. Sorry, guys. It's pretty loud. It goes up pretty loud. But let's go ahead and start it up again. Let me go ahead. I know it's not complete on here, guys, but just go ahead and just throw the body on here. See what it looks like for a second. It's pretty cool. Then there's an auxiliary channel that goes in channel 3. So that's pretty cool too. Just throw this on here, see what it looks like. If I can. I can't, the battery's in the way. Whatever. Let's go ahead and start it up. Alright, well, that is one sound. I think there's one other program on here. I think I could be wrong. Let me try here. See what that does. No? Okay, I didn't do anything. Let's Try moving that back here. Maybe I shut it off. Oh well, guys, I'll figure this out. Like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one, guys.